Hi there, my name's Peter and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you see here, please feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one. In this video I will be showing you how to draw the famous droid from Star Wars, R2-D2. This is my favourite character from the Star Wars series, a droid with so much character and such an iconic shape. So let's get going. So we're going to start with the dome over the top, and in this case we're going to move our hands in a nice way to follow the shape of the dome on the top. So we're always moving the paper, keeping the shape we're drawing in an easy way for our hand to move so that it's comfortable. So, and then we've got the dome drawn, and then the bottom of the dome to the bottom of his head. We've then got a couple of, again, lines whilst we're doing the head. We can then start filling in the detail on the head ourselves. So we've got like squares. With this type of thing, with the detail of like the circuitry and that kind of stuff, I like to just do lines that suggest where it is. You know, we're not getting right into the absolute detail and drawing every single piece. We're just doing sort of suggestive lines that can show where things go. So that's the little tube that he seems to stick out of, and then we've got his little like circular sensor on the top here, something like that. Yeah, we're just doing sort of lines on here just to sort of really suggest what's going on. And then off the side here, there's like 3 panels coming around the side like that. Okay, so there we are, we've got his head marked out here now. Okay, and then we can now start working on his body. Now I'm going to turn it round because I want to do some lines down the side of his body, and it's easier to have the paper turned sideways because my hand can flow down that shape. And he's got a taper on the bottom. It goes across the bottom, taper the other side, and then we bring it up. Okay, we're going to stop that line early because we're going to do the his leg on this side now. So bring it up, around, and down the side. Okay. Okay, and then the pieces inside. And the pivot point in the middle. Okay, and then there's some extra shapes on there. Then his leg gets short, gets a narrower diameter, the longer bit, and it steps out. into the foot. Okay, and then I can now start doing his foot on the bottom. Down here. Okay, now onto the floor. There's a cylinder just sitting on the top of his foot here. Band in the middle of it. Okay, and then we can get some more detail on his foot this side. It comes down there like that, and then this is a tube that I just quickly sketched in earlier. There we go, and that just plugs in, and then that's running behind that tube. Down there, and then on this bit there is just a little bit of sort of circuitry work. Running down here. Okay, that's not looking too bad. Then there's like just a little bit of detail just on the side here. Yeah, just these little slots in the back of the foot there. There we go. Got the foot is in now. So let's go back to the case. Right, so we need the bottom of the chamfer that we did in earlier. So we join those two lines up. We can now start filling in the areas in the middle. So we've got this panel on the front. And with two sort of vents. They're sort of not quite circular, they're sort of rounded off squares. Okay. And then, again, this is just sort of a bit like the old game Tetris, where you just sort of fill in all the gaps in with various squares. And it's this kind of detail that really makes him look like R2-D2. It's the graphic work on the front that sells it. There's a little fan here, little mesh. And then just a couple of extra lines in that corner. Right, we've then got a grill sitting up on the side, sort of tucks in behind here. And then just off the edge of that fan, there's a square. A long square there. They will line up. And then there's a big one on the top of there. Square again, with a square inside it. And then there's a big square here. See how we just sort of, as we're filling it in, you can see it's starting to just look like R2-D2. You know, it's such a familiar shape. Okay, and then these are blue pieces, are some odd shape to them. I say blue, but obviously this is just a pencil sketch, just on this pencil, A4 paper, and just out of a normal printer paper, which everyone would have at home. Okay, right, now at the bottom there's some pieces that will make this look more chamfered and tapered in just by their angles. And then we can then do his center foot in the bottom. Okay, so his foot's sitting in front of the other two, as he leans back in his stance. Again, the details on the feet, pretty similar. Okay, and then we can try and connect it on. Okay, where some of the lines might be a little bit wobbly, I'm just going to run over them, just make them straight over the top. Okay, so we then just got his final leg to do, and then I think we're pretty much done. So again, because this leg's leaning back, it will sort of disappear behind his body. So it disappears down here, and then it's going to be just poking out here. But as we've drawn the feet before, we just draw them in the same way with the little dashes on the front. The viewer will be able to recognise what you're drawing. There's those tubes on the front. There's two tubes on this side. Okay. Right, okay, and now I think it just needs to be planted on the ground a little bit. Just a little bit of shadowing. So you can see that he's not flying. I mean, he can fly very short distances, can't he? Otherwise he'll be stumped by simple stairs. there you have it. R2-D2. As always, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I've been Peter. Now go enjoy your drawing. Thank you very much.